You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more food names that are confusing, make sure to stay tuned. It's a red-fleshed orange. Cara cara, that's your English pronunciation here, comes from Italian cara, cara meaning dear. Cara cara orange or cara cara orange, English pronunciation, how to pronounce cara cara orange. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.